Okay, we're here at Tornado Alley. Here's RAKEEM RODGERS. Who's your favorite player in the NBA?
LeBron James.
Why?
Because he's a monster and he's a good role model.
All right, where are you playing now? Where are you going to be playing this year coming up?
Hopefully varsity from McCaskey.
Varsity for McCaskey. All right, you're going to show us what you can do. Here's RAKEEM RODGERS, Tornado Alley, August 2012. RAKEEM, throwing it home. All right, let's see that crossover. You've also played point guard this summer. You can do it all. All right, RAKEEM, what do you guys think of that? Was that a 10?
Yes.
10?
10.
All right.